yesterday, my friend in Argentina asked me if gold coins are a good investment. You know, Argentina has a high inflation rate, and I have talked to him about that in the past. I've asked him, like for example, he has a rental property. I asked him, well, how do you do the rent when you have such high inflation? And he told me they have an agreed upon monthly percentage increase. Like every month the rent goes up 20% or something like that, whatever it is. So how do they deal with inflation over there? How do they keep their money? I mean, they don't want to keep it in Argentine pesos, obviously. So how do they hold their money, store their wealth? Well, according to my friend, there's three main places that they store their wealth. One is land. Two, the US dollar. And three, gold. So these are the three main ways they store their money. They store their wealth in Argentina. My friend, he has a lot of land. In fact, he said he has about $1 million worth of land. And he's ready to cash out, ready to sell that land, and or some of the land. He's got a nice little ranch over there. I'd love to have the time and money to go visit. He hunts and fishes and lives off the land. But this big piece of land he has, he's going to sell. So he was asking me if gold coins was a good investment. And I was kind of struggling to answer him. It's a good way to store your money, a good way to protect against inflation. But is it a good investment? Well, there might be better investments, but there are definitely worse investments. I mean, you can put your money in the stock market, but stock markets crash, and even major corporations go out of business. Gold never goes out of business. So I don't know, like I would think that I should suggest that he diversify. If he's gonna, like, I wouldn't expect him to put $1 million in gold, but buying some gold coins, could be a good idea. I mean, especially living down there in Argentina, you don't want to put your money in the bank, you know what I mean, with that inflation rate they got over there. So as far as an investment, would it be better to get like stock but who knows, like if I could say buy stock in Apple, who knows, Apple may, the iPhone may go out of fashion. Maybe there's a new phone company. I mean, I've watched so many phone companies come and go, Kia, Motorola, they come and they go, but the iPhone seems to have stuck around. But who knows, maybe Apple will go out of business. I don't know what I would do if I had that $1 million. I guess I would diversify, put it in some REITs, so I could get some income, some dividend stocks, companies that have been around and will stay around. So I guess that should be my answer, to say diversify. Sure, get some gold coins, but don't throw too much into gold coins. Get some stocks, bonds, this kind of thing. I don't know, Gold coins are definitely a good idea, I would say, in that situation. So I guess that'll be my answer. Yeah, get some gold coins, but diversify. Don't throw too much into the gold coins. Don't throw, all your money into gold. Put some money in the stock market, maybe dividend stocks, I guess. Hey, give me your suggestions. Tell me what you think you should do with what he should do with that $1 million if he sells all his land for $1 million. I don't know exactly how much he's going to get. I guess he's not selling it all. He's keeping the land that his house is on. But I don't know. I think I would definitely get some stocks that pay a dividend, so I could get an income out of that. Reliable stocks that are going to be companies that are going to be around forever. Coca-Cola, McDonald's, Johnson & Johnson, I don't know. So anyways, I suppose I will tell him to get some, that he should probably, it'd be a good idea to get some gold. Especially considering Argentina's situation with inflation and everything. So keep on stacking, and hopefully I'll get down to Argentina one of these days, see my old friend. I grew up with him, got arrested together. That's a true friend.
This song's called Bro Him. Tell my friends, present, better be on, especially those who weren't with us too long. Life is the most precious thing you can lose. When you were here, the fun was never ending. Life a minute was a beginning. Check the Matthew 13th one for you. Remember who's on it, and the chill on. We've got